here. I know who it is. Come
Who is
here.
it?
Yeah, you know who it is. We just haven't seen him in a while. She's like, yeah, I do kind of know who it is. Comet's hiding behind you.
Comet, it's Grant. Wait, we do know him.
Oh, wait. Yeah. You don't have to be scared.
I'm not scared anymore.
Get over here.
Oh, okay. Oh. You're gonna cry. No. How are you?
Good, how are you?